Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead over to our profile and then go ahead and click on the photo icon to change our profile picture. So go ahead and upload your photo. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and upload this specific photo right here. I'm going to click on open. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, do not click on crop photo right here. All right. So you can go ahead and change the area where you wanted your profile picture to appear right here under your profile. So just basically click on save. Wait for it to load. And then once done, when you go ahead and scroll down and check your specific profile update, you'll be able to see it right here. It's not cropped. All right. So that is by using a computer. Now, what if you only have a phone? So what you'll do basically is open up a browser in your phone as well. Go ahead over to canva.com and then just basically click on custom size right here. All right. So what we'll do in here basically is to resize the image first before uploading it to Facebook. Okay. You can use Canva, InShot, or Snapseed if you have those applications. All right. So the specific format that we're going to use is a 1x1 square. So if you don't have that option in here, just close it and find a 1x1 square. Okay, so go ahead and use the search bar and type down Facebook. You'll be able to see Facebook post square 1x1. So select it and then just go ahead and drag and drop your specific file. All right, so for example, again, this is the file, just drag and drop. And then you can just basically frame it however you want. You can make it this way, or you can make it bigger so that it fits. And then click on share, download, download. Save it on your desktop or save it on your mobile device. Go to Facebook, change the profile right here, upload a photo, and choose the specific photo. All right. Once that's done, again, do not crop, just click on save. After that, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to upload a full Facebook profile picture without cropping. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.